To make a class in MarkBook or in the MarkBook demo, click the New Class button at the right of the screen. A yellow field appears at the top. Enter a name for your class that's unique in your building. In an elementary school, a name like 6A might be a perfectly good name. In a large secondary school, I recommend entering a course code followed by a section number. The next decision is where to store the class on the computer system. The best storage location will be your personal space on the network drive. In this case, I'm going to store the class on the C drive, inside MarkBook 2012, inside the Sample 12 folder. Click the Save as Default Path button, and MarkBook will remember this location. Click Next in the lower right corner. The three yellow fields need to be filled. I recommend a salutation, followed by an initial, followed by a surname. Tab gets to the next field. Enter the name of your school. And tab to get to the phone field. If you have an extension, you can enter it here as well. Click Save as Default, and MarkBook will remember these three fields for all of your subsequent classes. Then click Next in the lower right corner. This is the screen for entering your students. The yellow fields are compulsory. Start by typing the surname of a student. Tab gets to the next field. Tab gets to the gender field, and the left-right arrows will select. Tab to get to the home form, and tab to get to the student number field. Enter the student number that's unique in your school system, and then click Add. You're ready to enter a second student. Again, surname, tab to get to first name. The student might be in the same home form, and again, a unique student number. The Enter key on your keyboard will also enter the student into the list in the center if you click it twice. At this stage, I recommend moving on. You can always come back and enter more students later. Click Next in the lower right corner. You're allowed up to 100 mark sets for each class. A mark set is a grouping of data, and it needs a short code name. In this case, I recommend 1 followed by the first 3 letters of the course. Tab to get to the description field. What's the class commonly known as in the building? English 9 Academic. Optionally, you can enter a room number, a day number, a period number, and you can make selections among the calculation and weighting methods. By default, MarkBook will give you average and category, but you can make any other selection now or at any time later. Categories will be discussed in one of the next videos. Lower right corner, click the Finish button, read the message, and answer No. And you'll come to MarkBook's main screen. Your class has now been saved. At this stage, you could hit the Class button and enter more students, or you can hit the Mark Sets button and click on Edit to add categories, strands, standards, etc.